Welcome back to the North Central European Union, consisting of Germany, the Netherlands, the UK, and Belgium. U.S. companies are essential to the Belgium economy. The 900 majority-owned U.S. groups active in Belgium directly employ 4.5% of the total private sector employment in the country. U.S. companies provide 12.1% of manufacturing jobs in Belgium. Nearly half the U.S. employment in Belgium is in industrial companies. Belgium is an attractive location for R&D activities, so U.S. companies benefit from the strong collaboration with universities and public research institutions. The United Kingdom is currently our seventh largest goods trading partner with $127 billion in total two-way goods trade during 2018. The U.S. goods trade surplus with the United Kingdom was $5.4 billion in 2018. Leading services exports from the U.S. to the U.K. are financial services, travel, and intellectual property or industrial processes. U.S. companies are currently very active in the German market. They see Germany as a huge opportunity and stepping stone to the rest of Europe. Ford, General Motors, Amazon, and ExxonMobil currently have the largest footprints in Germany. Amazon is the largest online retailer in the country. Some 82% of U.S. firms operating in Germany are expecting revenues to increase this year. This speaks to the current success and continued growth of the German market. The U.S.'s partnership with the Netherlands is our oldest bilateral continuous relationship and dates back to the American Revolution. It provides strictly business ventures and not development assistance. Of the 2,500 international companies present in the Amsterdam area, more than 750 are based in the United States. This is almost 30% of all international companies in the region. American businesses that chose Amsterdam include Netflix, Tesla Motors, and Electronic Arts. Following the expansions of large multinationals such as UPS, NCR Corp, and Coca-Cola, many small to mid-sized businesses are now choosing the Netherlands as their gateway to the European market. In 2018, U.S. companies started 51 of the 278 new foreign investment projects in Belgium, making the U.S. the largest source of FDI in the country. This investment translates into jobs in the local economy. Investments are mainly oriented towards financial and insurance activities, professional, scientific, and technical activities, manufacturing, electricity, gas, steam, and air conditioning, wholesale retail trade, private real estate, and administrative activities. U.S. foreign direct investment in the United Kingdom was $447.6 billion in 2017, a 9% increase from 2016. Sales of services in the United Kingdom by majority U.S.-owned affiliates was $232.1 billion in 2016. As Europe's largest economy, Germany is a major destination for foreign direct investment. Germany has been constantly ranked as one of the most attractive destinations for FDI, thanks to the country's reliable infrastructure, highly skilled workforce, positive social climate, stable, predictable, and transparent legal environment, and world-class research and development. The United States is the leading source of non-EU foreign investment in Germany, with a stock of $108 billion in 2016. U.S. companies are the largest foreign investor in the Netherlands, providing a total direct investment of $442 billion. Nearly $60 billion in U.S. merchandise and services are exported to the Netherlands every year. The Netherlands ranks third as a near-term export destination for U.S. health, IT, and medical devices. Foreign direct investment is investment made by a firm or individual in one country into business interests located in another country. For example, Metronome Health, a U.S. biotech company specializing in diabetes management, chose to establish its international headquarters in Mont Saint-Hubert. Another example is Google that announced a €250 million expansion of its data center in St. Gastlein. The U.S. is the largest investor in the UK. American firms have invested nearly $750 billion in the British market, nearly a quarter of their total investment in Europe, and more than 12% of all U.S. FDI worldwide. Over 1.5 million Britons are directly employed by U.S. affiliates. 42,000 firms export to the UK, and more than 7,500 have operations there. A great example of foreign direct investment in Germany is Amazon. They account for almost half of all online retail sales in the country, about $17 billion in 2017. Amazon entered the market in Germany before online retail sales were very high and helped build online sales to what they are in the country now. Franchises like McDonald's and Remax have also been very successful in the German market. The Netherlands and U.S. economic partnership has created jobs, sound investments, and promising opportunities. Trade and investment between the Netherlands and the U.S. support an estimated 825,000 American jobs in 2018. The Netherlands is a fixture in the top 5 of the largest foreign investors in the U.S. and maintains its place as the #1 destination for American investments. Investment opportunities in Belgium include the food industry, which comprises a major sector of the economy. Biotechnology is also a great opportunity for the U.S. Around 140 companies are active in biotechnology in Belgium. Another opportunity is the property industry. Brussels offers a strategic location, an attractive property market, and the presence of key European decision-making bodies. Belgium is the perfect location for a logistical base, headquarters, or distribution center in mainland Europe. The infrastructure, skills, and IT facilities provide an ideal environment. The United Kingdom has great demand for defense, safety, cybersecurity, energy, transportation, and other avenues. Whether it's aerospace, pharmaceuticals, food manufacturing, transport, telecoms, or financial services, the UK is a hub seething with opportunities. The key sectors of opportunity in Germany include consumer goods, since the number of inhabitants is the highest in Europe. Another is subcontracted goods, as Germany is the leading producer of machine tools. This sector may see a new boom thanks to the development of numerical industrial processes. The Netherlands holds a strong international position in financial and business services, ICT, media, the creative sector, higher education, and logistics. It is a startup hub holding interesting opportunities for investing in innovation and young and exciting businesses. Amsterdam-based AMSIX is the largest internet exchange in the world, and the Netherlands has the highest level of broadband penetration and some of the fastest speeds in the world. The Netherlands is one of the world's largest exporters of food and agricultural products, beaten only by the US, a giant in comparison. Historically, Belgium has been an easy country to do business with. However, given that the country has just entered an election year, the political crisis that shook Belgium in December 2018 is likely to lead to a long period of political uncertainty. In December 2018, the government in Belgium collapsed after Prime Minister Michel resigned. This may rise the country's risk rating, which in the past was very low. In the United Kingdom, complicated import policies like tariffs, other import charges, quantitative restrictions, import licensing, customs barriers, all can make it difficult to enter the market. Services barriers like the limits on the range of financial services offered by foreign financial institutions, restrictions on the use of foreign data processing, and barriers to the provision of services by foreign professionals can also slow down market entry. Germany's regulations and bureaucratic procedures can be a difficult hurdle for companies wishing to enter the market and require close attention by U.S. exporters. Complex safety standards, not normally discriminatory but sometimes zealously applied, can complicate access to the market for many U.S. products. In the Netherlands, current issues and concerns for U.S. businesses include the high cost of the workforce, small size of the internal market, great dependence on the world economic situation, particularly that of the EU, and tax reforms in the United States that reduced corporation tax significantly, making it more attractive for American companies to invest in their own country rather than foreign. All 4 countries in the region lie in Risk Tier 1 for the Best Countries Risk Report. While being considered in this tier, it means that all 4 countries have very low level of risk. Economic risk, political risk, and financial risk are all included and all very low. Due to these rankings alone, it is attractive for any foreign investment in these countries to occur. Belgium is spectacular as a consumer test market. In other words, if a product is successfully launched in Belgium, a similarly warm reception can be expected in many other European markets. Cracking the Belgian market as an overseas exporter will likely require innovation, quality, and competitive pricing. In the United Kingdom, economic and political uncertainty following the referendum vote to leave the European Union continues to dampen growth prospects. Real GDP in 2017 grew 1.8%, but economic growth forecasts vary widely depending on the manner and terms by which the UK exits the EU. Medium-term growth is expected to be between 1 and 2%. Despite the challenges and uncertainty posed by the continuing Brexit process, the UK remains a critical market for American export of goods and services and a key destination of US FDI. The significance of the German marketplace goes well beyond its borders. An enormous volume of trade is conducted in Germany at some of the world's largest trade events, such as Medica, the Hanover Fair, Automechanika, and the ITB Tourism Show. The volume of trade, number of consumers, and Germany's geographic location at the center of the EU make it a cornerstone around which many U.S. firms seek to build their European and worldwide expansion strategies. The Netherlands' strategic location at Europe's front door provides the perfect springboard into the European market, with access to 95% of Europe's most lucrative consumer markets within 24 hours of Amsterdam or Rotterdam. Benefits from its central geographic position at the EU, effective government institutions, political stability, an attractive tax regime for foreign investors, a highly educated workforce, and an advanced infrastructure network. All 4 countries that make up this region are tremendous prospects for foreign investment. The U.S. already has a large stake in all 4 and will continue to invest in each. They all offer great opportunities for U.S. firms with minimal risk. This region of the EU should be seen as one of, if not the first, destination for any firm's global expansion.